Did you know that sometimes the person you're meant to be with is sitting right next door? Sarah teaches English in room 237, the same classroom where she first kissed Danny Morrison during junior year. Danny now teaches history next door in room 235. They dated through high school until a messy breakup senior year tore them apart. College took them in different directions. Failed marriages brought them back home. Now they awkwardly avoid eye contact during faculty meetings. Their classrooms share a thin wall. Sarah can hear Danny's passionate history lessons about second chances and learning from the past. Then the school's heater breaks. They're forced to share Sarah's classroom for a week. Grading papers together after hours, they rediscover why they fell in love at 17. They realize they've both grown into the people they were meant to become. He looks at her and whispers, "I never stopped loving you." Sometimes you have to leave home to find your way back to where love was waiting. Would you take a second chance on your first love?